Hello YouTubers, good news! I finally fixed the last major problem of this vehicle, and that's the consumer electric malfunction is now a history. Stay tuned. You are watching You Can Do It channel. If you encounter this error in your display cluster, there are two common reasons why this error occurs. The first common culprit is the battery. The Mercedes Benz E320 has two batteries, one in the front and one in the back. Use a multimeter and probe the batteries. Make sure you have a multimeter that is capable of battery load test. Make sure you have a reading of 12.3 to 13 volts DC. Make sure you probe the batteries as indicated in the picture. The next common culprit is the alternator voltage regulator. This is located on the back of the alternator itself. This is what it looked like, folks, with a part number indicated on the picture. In my case, it was the alternator voltage regulator that's causing the problem. This time this car is now 100% mechanically and electrically reliable. And that concludes our repair videos for consumer electrical malfunction. For more videos, please click the link on the upper right side of the screen. Please do leave a comment and make sure to like and subscribe.